I looked into the Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream, and honestly, it feels much more legitimate than many of the random skincare brands trending online. Dr. Althea is actually a recognized K-beauty brand, which already puts it ahead of the sketchy miracle creams that appear on social media. The 345 Relief Cream is marketed as a calming moisturizer for sensitive and irritated skin, and its formula is fairly transparent. The ingredients include soothing components like Centella asiatica, panthenol, and hyaluronic acid, things that are commonly used in K-beauty for reducing redness and strengthening the skin barrier. Most users report that the cream has a lightweight, non-greasy texture and absorbs quickly. It seems especially helpful for people with sensitive or combination skin. However, it's not a miracle product. It won't fix deep acne scars, severe eczema, or long-term pigmentation issues. Some people with very oily skin say it can feel slightly heavy, and results vary depending on skin type. The good news is that there are plenty of real reviews on YouTube, Reddit, and K-beauty forums, and most of them are positive. The product is sold by reputable retailers, too. Overall, the Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream is legit. It's a solid, calming moisturizer. Just don't expect dramatic overnight results.